Alex and Ryan with their balloons.
And
That's
Colin.
right.
And
And Colin. I'll get the balloons and then I'll get Colin. Colin, Colin, be still.
Alex. Alex. I like to shake
Check your
my
booty,
body.
Alex.
And what's this? Alex. 2 times.
Okay, Colin. Colin, up there.
This is before they get their haircut.
The last one before they get their haircut, and I'm gonna cut Colin's hair too.
Bye. Wait, what's this? You can't open it. You have to let it go, Alex. Alex, you have to let it go for it to open.
Maybe the last time before their haircut.
You may be scammed the last time you
Colin, guess what? Addison won the championship. Addison won the team won the championship.
We won the playoffs. I mean, we won a championship. We did before.
Come here, Alex. Come here, Alex.
The playoffs. No, you got. Don't do that. Get
The
off there. Get off
championship
there.
is before the playoffs.
Get off there.
You go to championship they call the championship before the playoffs because
Hey, Alex.
championship you have to try to play
Hey.
this.
Hey, Dad.
Teacher, my room.
Yeah, this is his balloon. Here's Colin. Right, his balloon. Right, look.
The other team in the league. So they get to go to.
Champion playoffs.
Where'd you get that balloon?
Hey, right. Okay, hold your balloon. Okay.
Did she come and get it for you? Did you get it open?
Right, look at your balloon. Right, look at your balloon. No apples, right, no apples.